In this video, I will show you how to remove most visited sites on Google Chrome. So guys, you can remove and you can hide easily. As you can see, once you open Chrome browser, so you will see some sites, pages and URL. So to remove these all pages, click on Customize Chrome, then Shortcuts. Now you can select shortcuts are created by you. Shortcuts are suggested based on websites you visit often, and also you can hide. So when you select this option and these settings, so all most visited websites pages will be deleted, and you change your mind and you want to show. So again, slide to left side, then click on done. So this is the basic and quick way guys to remove most visited sites on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.